Also notice that such function call with delayed action does not block execution of remaining part of the code. What I mean, if after this line you do some actions, for instance, you define new variable const a equals sign 10, afterwards let's print to the console value of the variable a like that, and save changes, I'll see 10, and in 3 seconds I'll see ABC. That's what I just told you. This function call does not block execution of remaining part of the code. This function is called, timer is ticking, and it is waiting when this timeout will be expired, and those lines are executed meanwhile. This variable is declared and its value is printed to the console, and only afterwards in 3 seconds we see result of this function call. Callback functions are very often utilized in JavaScript, especially when you need to perform some delayed actions. For instance, when you make some request to a remote server and wait for data from that server, and only when you receive some data you want to perform some other actions. That's the perfect example of usage of callback functions. Alright, that's it for callback functions.